What are we doing out here, Jet?
We are bringing out the 600 RS to the motocross track because we actually got some snow on it.
This is what we call just absolute pure shenanigans. I also started the day off hot. Got the truck stuck, so we're stuck. That's a problem for later though. What are we working with here? What you got, Jacob?
Old 2014 IQ 600R.
Nice.
Just got her set up for the elevation. Should be good to go.
2 race sleds. A little Polaris versus Skidoo showdown. We might have to race today.
Oh yeah.
We got 2 race sleds. Oh, we got the fancy one.
Yeah. Check, yeah. Don't ask me why again, we tried again and didn't feel the same. The plans was picking up the diagram. Winter overseas, I got some bags that need acquiring. We used to get cash, the checks bigger so they wire them. Fuck talk, fuck the middleman, bring the supplier in. From Italy to Ireland, as part of the requirements. Could've joined the union, kid, and turned to fireman. But I'm still doing fire shit, adapt to my environment. And now I'm up so high and I ain't coming down for no man. Oh, keep it rolling, stuck in the motion. Tell them stick to the program. Get kicked like Vince, your own boss has got no chance. I got both hands wrapped around the game in a choke slam. It turned me from a kid into a grown man. I got my stripes earned, battle tested, mics burned. It takes time being big body, making wide turns. So I'ma get there when the tides turn. Still at the sky until my eyes burn. Lil Jesse was a little baby, now it's fucking my turn. Excuse the lack of kind word.
Yeah, how you doing on fuel, Jet?
I'm pretty well empty.
That's not good.
Yeah, I don't know how he's still running because I already filled up once and I'm down to like 1/4 of a tank.
Yeah, it's a little concerning running on fumes, hitting these 100-foot jumps, but
Pretty sick start to the day. We got all the warm-up hits out of the way. Now it's time to really send it, right?
yeah.
Nah, just kidding. We hit these jumps about as big as you can. There's not any bigger jumps, which it would be sweet if there was. Now we got a couple more things to do here. One, can my mountain sled hit all these jumps? And 2, we got to race. I mean, we're on a motocross track. We got to race, right?
We got to race.
I mean, we have to. And we got Polaris versus Skidoo. Even. Might be, I don't know. There's gonna be a lot on the line here. There's gonna be some bragging rights. So, yeah, that's next on the agenda here. All right, first jump looks like we got a tabletop here to a double. How far do you think this jump is?
Probably about 60 feet.
So 60 foot. 60 foot table to a double, to a small double. Try to hit those smooth. Kind of over jumped that one. Just a little bit. This one's a triple here, so jump there. Try to land here somewhere. Did I clear it?
Freaking buttered it, dude.
Yeah. It's like not as long as the sled is.
Yeah.
So like I either will fully case it or under jump it, but I don't think I could ever perfectly, I don't know. We got a double double, small double, hit that one and then hit it with speed, big double. And land like right there. final jump, the biggest triple here. Easy peasy.
Elevation.
Did you get it?
No. Probably. Pretty sure you're in the square.
Now we're gonna do some racing. So first things first, we're gonna do some time trials and see who's the fastest. And then at the end, we'll do mano y mano. Ski-Doo versus Polaris right next to each other. But first, time trials, qualifying. Jacob's our first guest here. Start here, and then we're gonna finish with the triple. That's our finish line. When he lands, that's when we cut the timer. Real scientific.
Do I have to land on the snowmobile?
No.
Okay.
As long as body and sled have to cross, but not on. You don't have to be touching the snowmobile, but body and sled have to cross. So you could ghost the sled as long as you roll over and crawl to
Ghost it
the
off the
finish line.
takeoff and then run the rest of the way?
Yeah, like Ricky Bobby style.
Oh yeah.
Just finish.
Ricky Bobby.
Ricky Bobby, if you ain't first, you're last. Okay, we got our timer. Anna's in charge of timer.
Uh-oh.
You got it? Oh, we got it ready. Okay, Jacob, are you ready? Fire it up. I'll do 3, 2, 1, okay? 3, 2, 1. What's the time?
2:15.
2:15:48 for Jacob. All right.
The pressure's on, dude.
How are we feeling about that?
I'm feeling the pressure.
All right, do you think you won?
I think it was close.
It was pretty close.
I think I put up a fighting chance anyways.
Yeah. 2:11.78.
2:11. You won by 4 seconds.
Let's go!
Skidoo!
Dude, I felt like I was losing.
Yeah.
I think you looked really fast until the end here.
Dude, I was tired.
Yeah. Arm pump?
Yeah. I was really tired at the end. I was just trying to stay on this thing.
Got more stamina.
Uh-oh, do we need a rematch or are we gonna do mano-a-mano now? Side by side. Round 2. Are you ready? Are you ready? Anna, you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. What do you get?
2:13.
2. Oh, he improved on his time, but didn't get him.
He got stuck back here. You lost it on that corner.
Almost had it.
2:13.
You had me beat.
What is it?
2:13.
Ah,
You improved on your time. I think right there, yeah. A little bit. I think you had him maybe. I think you lost a second or 2.
Yep, you might have had me.
But it was
It
close.
would have been like a little, yeah, probably a tie.
Yeah.
You
Yep.
might have got me on that.
Almost had it. All right, we decided not to do side by side. The track's just not wide enough. It's kind of single track. Super sick day. Like, actually super surprised how fun that was. Super spontaneous last minute decision to come out here to our local motocross track. And just as a reminder, we had permission to come out here. So I don't recommend just going to your local motocross track when it has snow on it and just ripping it up. Find out who manages it and ask them if it's okay, because that's what we did. So the guy that manages it, he actually came out here and was taking videos because he was like, that's super sick. And he was like, I've never seen anybody do this before. So he was pretty stoked about it. We didn't tear anything up, but yeah, thanks again to Coleman of the Three Poles Rec area. He's kind of the manager here. He let us come out here and tear it up, and we had a great day.